behalf of IGS family, I'm dedicated to welcome all guests coming, and from like SABIC, SADARA, TASNEE, SIPCHEM, Chevron, Farabi, Advance, IncoChem, and Kimalon to the Alert Asset Reliability Workshop.
Thank you so much for joining us today. It's a great privilege for us to be here to present to you. It's now more than 10 years that IGS have been executing projects here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and we have a very strong relationship here with a number of key clients and customers. We think we can deliver real value to you and your companies in terms of the operation of your assets, the performance of the equipment, etc., extending life, and also giving your assets an opportunity to work in different environments or with different process conditions.
We had a chance to get one of the conference which is Alert arranged by IGS. It was great knowledge sharing.
Thank you IGS for organizing this excellent program with a lot of case studies and real case studies. I hope it will be very useful for all the end users, and inshallah we'll be in touch with you for the further information. Thank you very much.
Really good methods to allow you for more asset and more reliable equipment for your plants.